Imagine waking up without the familiar creaks and aches in your joints. Sounds too good to be true? Yet, history is replete with ancient wisdom that modern science is only beginning to appreciate. At the heart of this discovery is an ancient remedy known for its miraculous ability to alleviate joint pain almost overnight. The power of nature. This remedy comes from the depths of traditional medicine, leveraging the potent anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties of natural ingredients. The star of this concoction is turmeric, a spice celebrated not just for its flavor but for curcumin, its active component. Curcumin is lauded for its anti-inflammatory effects, rivaling those of pharmaceutical drugs, but without the side effects. The ancient recipe. To harness these benefits, the ancient recipe combines turmeric with ginger, another powerhouse with profound anti-inflammatory properties, and honey for its antioxidant content. When mixed in the right proportions, these ingredients create a potent blend that not only reduces inflammation, but also improves joint lubrication, significantly reducing pain. Preparing the remedy. The preparation is simple. Mix 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder with a tablespoon of ginger powder and a generous spoonful of honey. Add this mixture to a glass of warm water or milk and drink it before bed. The warmth of the milk enhances the absorption of curcumin, making the remedy more effective. Testimonials and scientific backing. Countless testimonials from individuals who have tried this remedy speak volumes of its efficacy. Moreover, numerous scientific studies have validated the anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties of turmeric and ginger, underscoring the potential of this ancient remedy in managing joint pain. Incorporating this ancient remedy into your nightly routine could be a game-changer for those struggling with joint pain. It's a testament to the power of nature and ancient wisdom in providing relief and improving quality of life. As we continue to explore and understand these natural remedies, we unlock the potential for a healthier, pain-free existence.